you ever considered a plant-based lifestyle for longevity? Well, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the concept of a plant-based lifestyle and its potential to not only enhance your health, but also add years to your life. From understanding what plant-based eating entails, to the science that backs it up, and how to integrate it into your everyday life, we'll unpack it all. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the journey of adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Plant-based diets are gaining popularity, but why? The benefits are aplenty. Adopting a plant-based lifestyle can lead to improved heart health, thanks to the abundance of fiber and lack of cholesterol in plant foods. It can also aid in weight management, as plant-based diets are typically lower in calories, yet higher in nutrients. Moreover, a plant-based lifestyle can be a powerful tool for disease prevention, helping to ward off ailments like diabetes and certain cancers. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what the science says. Numerous scientific studies underscore the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. For instance, research published in the Journal of Gerontology suggests that plant-based diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, thus potentially extending lifespan. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that plant eaters have a lower body mass index and lower cholesterol levels. And don't forget the environmental impact. The Food and Agriculture Organization states that plant-based diets can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Now that we have the facts, let's understand how to transition to a plant-based lifestyle. What exactly does a plant-based diet entail? At its core, a plant-based diet is all about loading your plate with natural foods derived from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. It's not just about avoiding meat, dairy and other animal products, but also steering clear of processed foods and sugars. Remember, the goal is to nourish your body with nutrient-rich, wholesome foods that fuel your health. Transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle doesn't have to be abrupt. It can be a gradual process. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be as slow and steady as you need it to be. Start by swapping out one meal a day with a plant-based alternative. Gradually increase this until all your meals are plant-based. Don't forget to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also add a burst of color and flavor to your plate. Embrace the journey at your own pace and enjoy the process of discovering new foods. But remember, balance is key. A plant-based diet doesn't mean you're missing out on essential nutrients. Quite the contrary. A well-balanced plant-based diet can provide all the nutrients your body needs. Protein, you've got lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Iron, spinach and tofu are rich in it. Calcium, no problem. Fortified plant milk and kale have you covered. Vitamin B12, you can find it in fortified plant-based foods and supplements. So you see, a plant-based diet is not just about cutting out, it's about embracing variety. Now, let's talk about how to put all this into practice. Meal planning and trying new recipes can make the transition to a plant-based lifestyle exciting. Start by setting aside some time each week to plan your meals. Consider batch cooking to save time and ensure you always have nutritious foods on hand. Experiment with simple recipes like a hearty lentil soup or a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. Discover the abundance of flavors in plant-based cuisine and let your taste buds embark on a delightful journey. Finally, let's discuss how to integrate this lifestyle into your daily routine. A plant-based lifestyle extends beyond just food. It's about making conscious decisions. Selecting cruelty-free personal care products, opting for ethical fashion, and even practicing sustainable living. With these steps, you're on your way to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Adopting a plant-based lifestyle can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Recap, reassess, and take that first step. Remember, every small step towards a plant-based lifestyle is a step towards longevity and better health.